Want to know the secret to making toxic people respect you? It is not about begging for it, fighting for it, or trying to prove you deserve it. It is something much simpler, something that demands respect without you saying a single word. When you make this shift, people stop crossing your lines and start treating you completely differently, all without you ever having to explain yourself or argue.
If you are new, then subscribe and like the video.
1. Control your reactions. Toxic people expect you to explode. They say mean things and push your buttons because they want drama. Your loss of control makes them feel powerful. The move that changes everything is staying calm. When someone tries to start a fight, look at them quietly, peaceful and unbothered. By giving them no reaction, you show them that their words have no power over you. You stop being a puppet whose strings they can pull and become someone they cannot shake. 2. The power of walking away. When toxic people disrespect you or waste your time, walk away without a big speech. You don't need to explain why you are leaving or try to make them understand. They usually don't care and will only twist your words to start another argument. Quietly removing yourself sends a stronger message than any words could. It says their behavior is so unacceptable that you won't even waste your breath on it. Every time you walk away from nonsense, your value goes up in their eyes. 3. Protect your energy. Stop being available to everyone all the time, especially those who treat you badly. Strong people protect their peace and their time. If someone is toxic, pull back and become less available. You aren't being rude. You are simply showing them that bad behavior means they lose access to you. When they realize you won't stick around to be mistreated, they are forced to treat you better if they want you in their life. 4. Set boundaries without apologizing. Strong people set boundaries and they do not apologize for them. Instead of saying, "I'm sorry, I can't," just say no. If someone is rude, say, "I am not having this conversation right now." When you apologize for your boundaries, it makes it sound like your limits are wrong. Stating them calmly and directly shows that you believe you deserve respect, and toxic people will pick up on that energy. 5. Move in silence. Toxic people have heard, "If you do that again, I'll." Many times before, they know most people are bluffing. Stop talking and start doing. If someone crosses a line, don't give a speech or a warning. Just quietly pull back or remove them from your life. Words are easy to ignore, but actions are impossible to ignore. Let your behavior show people who you are. 6. Choose peace over revenge. The problem with revenge is that it keeps you stuck at their level and gives them your energy. Strong people choose peace instead. They move on and focus on their own lives because they are too mature for games and too focused on the future for nonsense. You don't need to make them pay. Life eventually catches up with people who treat others badly. Conclusion. When you stop trying to teach toxic people a lesson and instead quietly move on and thrive, you win. Your silence and your actions will say everything they need to hear. Pick just one of these 7 strategies today and watch how the world starts treating you differently.